bully beef season rice, guys. If you're interested in this one, let's make this one together. First thing, let me go in with some olive oil. Once that heat, we're going in with some butter. I'm gonna go in with scallion, thyme, onion, hot pepper. Once the onion gets translucent, we are going with the tomato. I'm also gonna add some corn. We're going with some corned beef, black pepper. Let it apart too much, because I want to kind of stay chunky. And I'm gonna go in with the rice. I got add a handful spinach. And then we are going with some chicken stock. Going back, the add the cabbage. At this point, I can't leave vegetable rice. Not too much, just a little. Put this over it. Alright. I like the pot. Alright, I could go see where I'm going with the rice. And guys, if you have made it this far throughout the video, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and do remember I have a recipe book linked in my bio. And I'll definitely see you guys in another video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.